What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. So yeah, man, I got to go on and keep y'all and put y'all up to date. So she is done. I'm finna crank her so she can idle so I can do my adjustments. Had to go on and buy me one of these bad boys, you feel me? And one of these, you feel me? So let's get this thing started. Feel me? That thing's so loud, I gotta walk over here so I can talk to y'all. Gotta make sure that lighting right. Okay, so as y'all see, she done now, man. And I'm finna do my adjustments. I might possibly test drive it, but you know, I might possibly test drive it, but you know, man, we gotta see how it's gonna go and how it's gonna bog and whatever the case may be, man. So I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, then I'm gonna film me adjusting it. You feel me? So yeah. I be hating to have to do this over and over. I got it. It's a lot more responsible. No balls. Look rich. Gonna try something. So as y'all see, man, whew, it's been a little minute, so I had to keep checking over myself over and over and over and over. Had hit up an old school man who I had bought the Camaro from, like he the carb king, you feel me? So between him and me doing my research, I was kind of doing stuff backwards a little bit. I ain't really want to ask him, you know what I'm saying, a lot of questions and stuff, but I wanted to learn on my own first. So I was actually doing stuff different. So now these fuel bowls supposed to be a set height, you feel me? The fuel is supposed to be a set height. So this was too much in there, and this was basically I overflowed it, because one, when you take the screw out, it was just pouring out on both ends. After I take the screw out and all of it was just like pouring out and stuff, this, before I even did that, this right here was like dripping fuel. The easiest of secondary is like when you at high speed or something like that. I forgot how that go. But yeah, there was like dripping fuel in there. I already knew that was overfull because of that. So I ended up saying both of them, they pitched perfect. But the crazy part, it was like backwards. So I gotta get it in the light because this camera is tripping, bro. I need to get a GoPro like ASAP because this camera is getting on my nerves. So, damn, I don't even know why I left off at. When the bowls was overfilled, it took a long time to crank, so I had to tap the gas to crank it up. But as it run, when I hit the gas, it was you feel me? So before I knew about the mixer screws and the idle, I was setting the idle with the fuel bowls, which is not what you're supposed to do. So what I did, I redid everything I was supposed to do when I was showing y'all I was doing the vacuum and everything. So what I did, I set the fuel bowl, crunk it up, it fired right up. I said, that's backwards. So I hit the gas and it was bogging. I said, okay, now I'm finna go back through the procedure with the correct fuel, you know, flow in the bowl. Did my vacuum and everything, set the idle. Man, let me show you. Remember when I was cranking it used to take a long time, so. You see that? And that noise y'all hear, that's the trans. I got a stick shift. I don't know if it's like the mount or whatever, but yeah, y'all see how that fire right up? That bitch snappy now. No bogging, no nothing. So this is the correct setting now. As y'all see, it fired right up. I ain't have to pump it. I ain't have to do nothing. I still feel like the idle is a little bit high for me, but I just wanted to show y'all. You know, beforehand I was cranking it. You usually just crank over for a long time. Now I'm finna hit the key. Just like that. Just like that, you feel me? And you got, bro, I know nothing about cars. Like, this is within, I'd say, like a week, and asking questions and doing research, you feel me? But I feel like when I hit my man up, he normally give me the tea on everything, you feel me? Dude I bought the car from, man, I leave his information in my description. You know, he sell 3rd gen, 4th gen, sometimes 2nd gens if you get lucky. He got some shells and everything, so I'll put his information in my description. But once I asked him, and he basically, you know what I'm saying, told me, and with all the information already collected from YouTube and doing research, it made sense. And now she's like A1. I could say I'm a vet, but I ain't there yet, you feel me? But I'm happy I could go on and throw my filter on there. Till next time, man, if y'all like the video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe if you didn't. And we turning up whole 2023 and the rest of this year. I'm out.